Hello, YouTube community. Mr.Fozzgate here. I've got something special to tell you. I think it's special. But yeah, me and Larry went down to get him a Mountain Dew. And I went in there to get his Mountain Dew and pay for it. Came out with the change. We got home. He looked at his change and he found a 2025 D nickel. That was supposed to be good, right? So, before he left, he says, "Oh, I guess you're going to go over there and see if you can get some more." And I thought, maybe I will. I said, "No, you go over there and do it." I called him up and said, "Well, did you get any?" He said, "No, he didn't go over there." So I hopped on my motorcycle and went over there and asked the lady if she could give me 5 nickels out of that other machine. And she was like, "What? Why do they have to be out of the other machine?" Oh, I told her why. And we found a 2025 D nickel in there. So she went over there and gave me 5 nickels. Another guy came up, wanted to know what we were doing. I told him the same story. And he happened to be a coin collector and he understood. So I got the 5 nickels and I looked and one of them was a 2025. I said, "Well, you got any rolls back there you want to sell me?" He said, "I think they're all, yeah, but I think they're all new." I said, "That's cool. I'll take the new ones." And he went back and got the 5 rolls. Came back out and said, "Oh, no, they're not new. They're older ones." I said, "Well, can I get what you got left in that, in your register?" He said, "Sure." And he counted them out, and I got $1.25 worth in my pocket. Let me get them out. Let's go through them, man. See what we got. I'm breathing hard. I can tell you right now, that's a 2025. Let me make this bigger. It's so shiny. I should get some gloves on, huh? Okay, where are we at here? Yeah. Yeah, baby. That's a 2025. Let's see. So is that one. What's the blue thing on there? Oh, part of my pants. Let me make this smaller again. So that's 2. That's a 20. What is that? 2019. There's a shiny one. I'll bet that's one. 2025D. Woo! That's 3. 3 out of 4 ain't bad. Must have opened up a whole roll in there. I hope so. Another one. That's 4. What do we got here? 20. It's not a 2025. 2001, I think. Another one. That's 5. Woo, baby, I hit the jackpot. That's 6. Yeah. There we go. That's 7. There's a shiny one there. What's that one? That's a shiny one. That's 8. Oh boy, there's gonna say I owe him or something. No. I owe him a swift kick. That's another one. What do we have here? 20. What is that? I can touch that one. I don't know. It's not a 2025. 1986 or something. Whatever. I don't care. And there we be another one. And there be another one. And there be probably another one. Let me see. Yeah, what is that? No, that's the 20. Is that 2025? Make that bigger. Yes, it is. Woo, baby. I'm sweating. My back is killing me. I'm bending over like this. It hurts. There's another. That's 13 so far. What do we have here? 1970. What's this one? 2025. Put it over here. Got my who cares nickels over there, and these are the I care nickels over here. That's who cares. I care. What do we have here? 2020. Put it over there, and I don't care nickels. Another 2025 D. Woo, baby. This one is to pretty much guarantee it. Yep. 2025. What do we have here? 2022. I don't care pile. That's the I don't care pile. Okay, now what? 2025. Woohoo! Well, can't really see. 2022. I don't care pile. And one more nickel. And it is a 2025. Woohoo! Man, that's more than I counted the first time. That's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. 18. Oh, wait. Is that one? What's this one? Yeah, that's 2025. All right. Let me make sure again. Because I had to shoot this twice because I shot it straight up and down. The video, that is. That's 2025. What's this one? 2023. Woo! I knew there was something going on here. Okay. All right. Get out of here. You're and I don't care. I don't care, nickels. All right. So that means I got 17, right? Let's see. 2025, 2025, 2025, 2025, 2025, 2025. All right. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 17. 17. That's a jackpot. All right. Well, there you go. Like, subscribe, we'll do whatever you want to do. And did I tell you I haven't been shooting any videos for the last 2 weeks because I haven't been finding anything, but I may start up here soon. All right. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, whatever you want to do. And here's your YouTube post. Peace.